Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 to $20 an hour speaking in English. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out this channel and helps out this video, and help me to get at least 50 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Also, type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. It's coming soon, so you better go ahead and type that hashtag get your grind on so you won't miss out on this free money when I give it away. Okay, now this method is fairly easy. All you have to do is be able to speak English. That's all you need to do to make this money. And it's available worldwide. As long as you know how to speak English, you're good to go. All right, so please watch this video all the way to the very end. Do not skip anything because I don't want you to miss any of this important information. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first website. I'm going to show two websites. Now, the first website is called VIP Kid. So what you're going to be doing is teaching kids how to speak English. It's a big command in China. A lot of kids want to start speaking English, so it's a big demand for that. And this is the best time to do that online, since the pandemic. So all kids are, not at school, so they're online, especially in China, trying to learn how to speak English. And that's where you come in. So it says here, teach English online, earn money, when and where you want. And you can sign up through Google or Facebook. You can set your own schedule. You can work when and where you want. No commitment or minimum hours. And no lesson planning. You're going to be teaching one-on-one. And you're going to get paid. So teaching kids is its own reward, but the money doesn't hurt. You got that right. All right, let's scroll down a little bit more here. So here's a little video. You can learn a little bit more about it. And here's some big time publications. Had some something to say about this company, about this website. It's right here, Glassdoor, top 10 best places to work in 2020. And Fast Company says world's most innovative companies. And they also been featured in Bloomberg, Business Insider, Fortune, Forbes, The Economist, and CNBC. And they have 100,000 teachers, 700,000 students, and 5 million classes in a month. Wow. Now, there's one person that works with VIP Kid. It says VIP Kid has allowed me to have the best of both worlds. I'm a stay-at-home mom and a teacher. So that person is very happy. All right, let's just scroll down here and see about these questions here. Okay, right here where it says, how much can I earn? Let's see what they say. You can earn between $15 and $22 an hour. Because you select your own hours, total earning opportunities vary. So that's pretty good, $15 to $22 per hour. Just speaking English and teaching kids how to speak English. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to help kids and teach them how to speak English in China, go ahead and go to vipkid.com/teach. All right, now let me go to the second website. All right, I'm at the second website, and the name of this site is GoGo Kid. So I guess you see the theme here. You're going to be teaching kids again on this website. So I'm just showing you two websites that's similar to each other because you're going to be making even more money on this website. So it says here, teach English online, earn $14 to $25 per hour. Apply now. Again, you can use Google to sign up. So it says great pay, get rewarding compensation, and do fulfilling work. Flexible hours, be your own boss and set your own schedule. Easy preparation. We can provide your lesson plans and help you prepare your classes. So they help you prepare classes on this website. And right here you can learn about who we are, what we believe, and what we do. And here's the buzz from some of the GoGo Kid teachers. Here's one person, Allison. She says, GoGo Kid as a company truly values its teachers. I feel like an important part of the GoGo Kid team instead of a number. She's very happy with GoGo Kid. Right here you can get a closer look at one of the videos. You can get a closer look at this website. Click here, you're ready to start. You can sign up. Let's just look right here where it says frequently asked questions. Okay, on here it just shows what's their mission. See, teaching classes, look at that. How many students do I teach in each class? All classes here at GoGo Kid are one-on-one with students. So you don't have to worry about teaching a whole bunch of students, just one-on-one. Let's look at the payment. I already told you how much you're going to be getting paid, but let's just go more in depth. So base pay, one level, $7 to $10. Base pay level 2, $7 to $10. And it's all based on your credentials and interview performance. So let me just read one more thing. When and how will the teachers be paid? The payment for the last calendar month shall be payable no later than the 15th day of the current month. To ensure your payment is transferred on time, we strongly recommend you use PayPal as the primary payment option. So that's pretty good. So you can use PayPal to get paid, and they get paid on the 15th of the month. All right, so if you want to come here and just read a little bit more about it and get started, go to gogokid.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will pay you $10 to $20 an hour speaking in English. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start teaching those kids English, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Before you go, please direct your attention to the description below. I have a lot of cool stuff that you guys will benefit from on your journey to make money online. Especially click on this link where it says my #1 recommendation to make money on autopilot. Click on that link. You will not be disappointed. And also further down, I have some apps that I made. Check those apps out, guys. I have some a game app. I have a photo app. I have an exercise app. Any type of app you need, I got that down there. Check it out in the description below. I really would appreciate it. And all the other stuff I have in the description is going to be very, very helpful for you. So just check out everything in there. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type #GetYourGrind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subs. It's coming soon, guys. And please share this all around the internet because it's time now to make this money online, because since this pandemic, a lot of people are relying on doing things online and you can benefit from it. So that's why I'm so glad I'm able to show you guys all these ways to make money online. So just share this with everybody so I can help everybody I can all around the world. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every day. Okay, guys, family, grind family, thank you. Thank you again. I really, really appreciate you guys checking me out from the bottom of my heart. I really, really do. Keep checking me out, and I'm going to keep bringing this content, and I'm going to keep giving away free money. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.